Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create this text effect using CapCut for PC. So let me show you how. Alright, for example, I'm going to select the PNG background to the track, and to change the color you are just going to select canvas, select color, and select color you want. Alright, and I'm going to select text to add the text, or you can select text effect, text template, other. Okay, I'm going to select text template, just download it and add to the thread. So you can change for the scale, and to add the animation you are just going to select the clips, right click and create content clip, and you can find animation option right here, and just click on it and select in and select the animation you like. For example, just download and just wait for downloading, and after you are just going to add to the track. Okay, so so long time to wait for it, and just select other effect so you can see for the final result. Sorry, it's lagging video. So here we go. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.